What are you doing, Mom?
So the hole.
Oh, you have a hole. Wait, stop. Don't waste your time doing that. That's too time consuming. Check this out. I have a brand new sewing machine for you. Are you excited?
Yes. Oh, it's beautiful.
Alright, so once you have everything in box, this is definitely a cute machine. I wasn't expecting something so small and compact. No wonder they call it a portable sewing machine. And I definitely appreciate that this has the 42-piece starter kit. Everything you need. Different color threads, spools, needles, scissors, even a threading tool. Yeah, this one definitely come in handy. Of course, you have the table, which connects to the portable sewing machine. This must be the foot pedal, charge cable, and then you have accessories such as a button fitting, needle threader, bobbins with spools, you know, basically all the hardware that you need. And of course, the instructions manual, and I highly recommend reading through it because it explains about the parts and also the steps, how to set it up, how to diagnose it, how to use it. It's very informational. Definitely reference that. I know what you guys are asking. How much does this compact sewing machine weigh? It only weighs about 4.4 pounds. Even a kid can pick it up without any problems. So before we actually get to using it, I am going to install the work table onto here. And it simply slides into these areas. See right there? Okay. This fits in like that. And you have a measurement table right here. Okay. Looking at the face, there's a table that gives you basically 36 stitch patterns of different combination. Here's a full 360 to show you what it looks like. Different adjustment knobs all throughout that you come to expect in a sewing machine. It's definitely lightweight. I mean, this is definitely a compact and cute design. They basically incorporate all the designs of a regular sewing machine into something that's compact. Here is a breakdown of the components. The winding slice and the thread take-up lever is located right here. The thread tension adjustment wheel. This is the thread cutter. And then up here we have the winding bar. It looks like there's a spool here. A function adjustment wheel. You have a push cloth poke button down here. Okay. And on the back side you have a handle so you can carry easily. And you have a light switch and also a power switch. Down here is for the power socket, pedal socket. And I definitely appreciate that the bottom has rubber so it doesn't skid. And I really like how everything is labeled out to remind you how to use it as a precaution, and pretty much self-explanatory for those who are sewing experts. Alright, so I have the foot pedal and the power supply connected. So first we are going to, I think there is a light on the back. Okay, let's go ahead and push this lever to lift this up. See, this is just a sample, so we're going to remove that. Okay, let's go and turn the light. Oh, you see the light? Alright, we're going to try it out. My mom used a sewing machine, so I am not familiar using this, so let's see if this, she is the master of the sewing. Alright, I just know the basics of sewing. So you see how she's just trying to make it straight? So she's pressing on the lever. The light definitely comes in handy, especially in a dark area. You're working in dark location. Wash out your hand, Mom. Okay, I'll just let my mom do her thing. So, in the event it gets stuck, see, you use this lever to lift up, okay, and then just relocate the clothing. So you will use an adjustment wheel, see, to loosen the thread in the event that you need to do any cutting or adjustments. Okay. Now my mom's gonna cut the thread. You see the spool is already like in here. So here's the threaded area. The hole is right here. Show us the back side, Mom. How bin Show us the threading. See the white threads? See? That's the threading that she did to fill up the hole. All right, Mom, I have another job for you, Mom. I have this pair of pants right here, and the threads came loose. You see? The whole upper is coming loose. So I'm gonna have my mom fix that. 係咪挑咗上邊先啊？ I think we have to remove the rest of the threading, or just cut it and then just sew it over the line, because this pant has become loose over time. I really love this pair of pants because it's like a utility hiking pants. All right, because it's gray color, we're going to show you how to change the thread type, okay, to this color because it matches my pants. Okay. Because it's a new sewing machine, sewing machines are designed a little bit differently, so my mom's trying to make sure she understands this, okay? She's trying to analyze that. Eh? Oh, there are two types. Okay. This type and this type. Oh, I see. 咁呢啲攞做咩？
揼佢佢啦。
咩？
冇㗎冇㗎。
唔用呢啲啊？ So there are two different type of, you see the spool types? Oh, no, this one. How about this one, Mom? Yeah.
你遮面我。
All right. We decide go with that one. Thread it through here, run it down here, loop it around. I think to the, oh, okay. See, I'm learning too. And then come down here. This is the important step. Remove the old threading. Yeah? Oh, that's from the old spool. See down here? And this is the part where you have to have the good eyesight. You need to thread it through the needle of the sewing machine, see? See, now we're going to thread it through the needle. You need good eyesight for that. Oh, looks like my mom still got it. She got it. All right. And then what, Mom? Huh? All right, now we got our pants location near the waist area. And then we're getting ready to sew it on. Okay. Let me get it from this angle. See how she's stepping on the pedal? Running it along the length, all around the periphery. Of course, you always have to watch out your hand.
Okay.
All right, and that looks done. Wow. Wow, good job, Mom. I couldn't have done this myself. Now we're just going to cut the threading. So I definitely learned something new about how to use a sewing machine, at least the basics. Practice makes perfect. And this thing comes handy too, because it's small, compact, and lightweight. I really love the built-in features, especially light. I mean, you could
Not
take
too
this.
not too heavy.
Yeah, not heavy. You could take this anywhere.
Easy take. Easy carry.
I finally understand what these are. This is the stitch type. See, if you wanted to be closer spacing or wider spacing, this is what this is. See the spacing of the stitch? So you have the selection right there. Mom, I actually have another job for you. Final job, final test. Look, Mom, you see how my sweater right here? This is torn a little bit. Can you also fix this? Alright, here we go. Clamp it down. Let my mom work her magic on my sweater. I really like this sweater. Okay, you done, Mom?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Look at that. Wow, good job, Mom. How do you like your new sewing machine, Mom?
It's good.
Easy to use?
Yes.
See, Mom recommended. So if you're looking for the perfect portable, easy to use sewing machine, definitely give the VEVOR brand a look.
Yeah.